Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the new highway from Maypen to Mandeville. This is Highway 2000 and this is basically what an average highway in Jamaica looks like now. So I want to ask you guys a question. Why is it no local contractor in Jamaica can build a road like this? Now, this road was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. It's a simple 4-lane dual carriageway that takes you from Maypen to Mandeville. But look at the quality of the road. Now, there is no local contractor that can build a road like this in Jamaica. Now, roads have been built in Jamaica for decades. We have local contractors that used to do roads, but those roads in a matter of no time would have potholes, and I think everybody realizes that no local contractor could build a road like this. So we want to ask why. It's engineers. China Harbour Engineering Company uses local engineers. They have their own engineers as well. But I'm just trying to find out, why is it a local contractor couldn't do this? Why is there such a wide divide between what China Harbour Engineering Company can do and the local contractors? Now, this was made very evident with the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway from Harbourview to Portland. The government had this very ambitious plan. I think it was the right plan, to have local contractors work below China Harbour Engineering Company. So they selected 10 local contractors, and I'm assuming these were the 10 best local contractors in Jamaica. So the highway was divided into 10 sections or intersections, and China Harbour Engineering Company did the most difficult part, which was between Harbourview and Yallas. For that section, they had to widen the road. They had to remove over 600 structures, and China Harbour Engineering Company did it. Job well done. Now, for the sections that the local contractors were to work on, all they were doing was taking the existing road and upgrading it to a highway quality road. There was no new alignment. It was just fixing the road. And would you believe, out of the 10 local contractors, I think it's only 2 or 3 left. They either had to take back the contract from them because they were not doing the work, or it was not done properly, or they just couldn't manage. And in some cases, the local contractors gave the contract back to China Harbour Engineering Company, saying they couldn't do it. Now that is a serious problem. It just goes to show you. Oh, before we finish. So 7 other contractors, either they took back the work or they gave up the work. And China Harbour Engineering Company went in and finished it. Now that shows that there is such a wide divide, a gap between what the local contractors can do today and what we're going to need them to do tomorrow. So until the local contractors get up to, how would you say it though? Until they are able to build a road like this, we are going to have to keep using foreign contractors. Now, you ever stop to think, suppose foreign contractors never came to Jamaica? What kind of roads would we have and how long would they last? Now, we've had the Public Works Division, which is a government entity to build these things. And we have the National Works Agency. And I don't think the NWA could, well, they wouldn't do it. They would give it to a local contractor. I think the Public Works Department would have done it themselves. So we just came off the Melrose Hill bypass now. And look at the road we were on, and then look at this road. This is the kind of road a local contractor would do compared to the road we just came off of, which is what China Harbour Engineering Company can do. So I'm asking you guys, why do you think the local contractors are not at that level? Now, we don't expect them to be at China Harbour Engineering Company's level. They are a world-class company, one of the 10 largest contractors in the world. But the local contractors could not build that road that we just drove on. They couldn't do it. So guys, why do you think that is? And let's just say 3 companies are still working on the Southern Coastal Highway. We don't call the name of companies on this thing, but those 3 companies, I would assume, are the ones that are going to be one of those 3, probably will be the first ones to build something like what we just came off of. But it's very concerning to know that the local contractors are not at a certain level yet. And it's very eye-opening to see what happened on the Southern Coastal Highway. It got so bad that at the beginning of the project, before any work started, everybody's like, why is the government giving all this work to the Chinese? And then they put in a contract that local subcontractors, 10 of them were to be used. And those very people who were asking the question, why are they giving the work to the Chinese, blocked the road and asked for the Chinese to come and finish the project when they saw what was going on, the inconvenience, the project stalled. So it was definitely an eye-opening experience for all of Jamaica. And it highlighted how wide a divide it is between what the local contractors can do and the standard that is now set by China Harbour Engineering Company. So guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.